way, leaving this beautiful paradise of Bali and headed out to the beautiful paradise of Thailand. Stuff's ready, put in the car. We got about a 2.5 hour drive across the island, get all the way to the airport. Everybody ready to go? Ready to rumble? Rumble in the jungle?
Yeah, sure.
Is your wound healing up?
Yeah, it's healing pretty well.
Nice. Bali scar.
You guys make sure you stay together, keep an eye out for each other, and like make sure that like if Dad's not there to like wait.
No, we'll go slow.
Look at all these spiders. Just everywhere as far as the eye can see. Massive spiders. Look at the size of this one. Huge. What a nightmare. They're as big as my hand. All over. Anyways, we gotta go run a bad place on the road.
So we left the bikes. Time to catch that plane. Say goodbye to David. He's going back. He's not coming with us to Thailand. It's a shame. Did you have fun, Dad?
Look at this brotherly love.
Yeah. Well, let's just check it out together.
That's the last boarding call for us. We are off to Thailand. We got your passport, your tickets. All right. Fast forward to Thailand.
So we fast forward to next day, next morning. This is the gate of the place we're staying at. Last night we just went straight to bed. We're pretty tired. Got some motorbikes before we went to bed. Better than the last ones we got, for sure. Better threads and better quality bikes, for sure. Place is really beautiful, especially the outside part. On the other side. This is it. There's the Bobski. Living room, kitchen. But the best part is the outside. Still figuring out the doors here. We have our own little koi fish pond with the hungry little guys. You throw food in there, they like little piranhas eating up everything. Morning, Ethan.
Morning, Kirsty.
Saltwater pool with no chlorine, which is very, very nice. It's a little gated community. The pink house over there, nice and bright. Here at night, you lay down, whole sky is just full of stars. Beautiful.
What's up, Ethan? You ready to go?
I'm ready to do this.
We all got bikes, and we're off to lunch.
We're having a little bit of a domestic over there.
I know.
Everyone's hungry.
It takes forever to get out the house, and everybody's hungry. Very hungry.
Made it to the restaurant. Merry Christmas, Velociraptor. No food, beware of pecking bird. Would that be you? Are you the pecking bird? Yeah, I think that you are the pecking bird. And so are them. There's another one here. Hey there. Hello. You're a pretty beautiful bird. Ducks. Hello, so cute. You guys are so white and fluffy and chubby. These chubby little ducks, man, they're so cute. Yes, yes, where are you? I haven't forgot about you. Hello. Want to come say hello? You want to come say hello? Hello. Hi there. What's your name? What's your name? What can you say? Can you say anything? Hello? You want some food, but I got no food for you. And plus, it's just not to feed you guys, so I respect that. And look at this. Turtles. What's up?
These guys are probably older than me.
Amazing.
This place is just full of animals. This guy's chill. I guess he's the one who's allowed inside. Find anything interesting? You see all the animals outside? The turtles? Pretty cool.
100-year-old turtle.
I know. How's the noodles?
Pad CU.
Pass to you noodles?
Pad CU.
Spring rolls? Oh wow. Immediately that hits you. That's delicious. Everything's a little bit sweet here.
Needs a little bit of salt.
But it's excellent.
It's got coconut milk in it. That's a tom yum soup.
No! Fail. Hey! Aren't you lactose intolerant, boy?
I am.
That's a nice way to have coffee. Delicious.
Michael and Romeo, the happiest gay couple alive. You like that, don't you?
What a story, Mark. Oh, so affectionate.
He definitely will like you, mother.
He doesn't like you, Mom.
Ethan. Ethan's like holding over their life.
I'm scared, I'm not gonna lie.
Nicole would love this. Nicole used to have one like that.
What kind of a snake is that?
Yeah. Nicole used to have one like that.
It's beautiful. Right. Can we hold the dragon lizard too?
Aww. Cutie.
He's so spiky, man.
Aww. What's his name?
Chad Hai.
Chad Hai?
Chad Hai.
Chad Hai?
Little butter.
Aww. Alright. Alright, he has to go soon, I think.
Oh, you're so brave.
But can I pet him?
They work here.
Gentle.